friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer. Today we're going to be doing a lying down workout. We're going to be laying face down, so you can do this on your bed, your couch, or any kind of exercise gym setup you have at home. Come on down to your stomachs. I'm going to talk you through everything, so you shouldn't have to look at the screen. You can just stay relaxed where you are. I'm going to cross my hands one over the other so I can rest my chin down on that little nook there. And then keeping my thighs on the floor, I'll bend my knees and bring my feet up off of the ground. So then now they're bent at 90 degrees. Then I'm going to let my feet fall over towards one side. Feel that stretch. Come back through the middle, fall over to the other side. Feel the stretch on the other side. You're not going fast through this. You're hanging out in that lowest position for a breath and then moving back through to the other side. Windshield wipering those legs back and forth. This might feel like a really nice stretch on your low back and on your hips. Let's do one more of these and then let those legs come straight down back towards the surface you're laying on. Next up, we're gonna keep our chin resting in that position. And I want you to bring one knee up towards the same side elbow. You're gonna place your hands next to your face and just do a gentle press up off the surface and then bring it back down. And let's stay on this side. Let's do 5 on this side. Then coming back down to the floor. Pressing the chest off of the surface, coming back down to the floor. That knee stays in that bent position. You might feel a stretch in your hip flexors and in your back. Last one here. Good. Bring that leg back to a straight position. And now let's bring the other leg into that bent position, keeping your hands down on the surface below you, pressing yourself up into a cobra position and back down. Now your cobra position can be on your elbows, it can be up to your hands, wherever you're at today is great. We're just getting some gentle movement in while staying in a cozy laying down position. Let's do one more here. And then come back into that position where you're lying with your chin resting on your hands. One leg is gonna lift up at a time, so you're lifting up off of the hip, the leg stays straight, and then you lower back down. Let's do the other leg. It stays straight, it's lifting from that hip socket, the knee stays straight, and then bring it back down. You might be feeling this in your low back, in your glutes, in your hamstrings, so all along the back of your body, and that's fine. That's exactly what we want. And then keep your upper body relaxed here. I love a lying down workout because, you know, some people for medical reasons, they've got to stay in a lying down position. Other people need that little bit of movement to get out of bed pain-free in the morning. And then sometimes doing a little bit of movement before you get out of bed can give you some motivation and energy for the rest of your day. So there's a lot of reasons why a lying down workout might be really beneficial for you. Last movement here, I'm gonna have you place your hands back down on the floor, bend one leg, and now we're going to roll ourselves over into a scorpion position. Those hips are rolling up off the surface. Back down into a flat position, bend the other knee, scorpion tail to the other direction. This is a really nice back stretch, a little bit of a chest stretch. We're gonna do one more on each side. Opening that hip up, trying to reach the foot to the surface behind you. And that is it. I'm Coach Natalie Carey. Thanks so much for being excellent to yourself today. If you liked this workout, head on over to my channel. I've got a bunch of other lying down workouts and also a lot of workouts that make movement accessible to all bodies.